We are pleased to see that despite the COVID-19 pandemic, we can still come together, even virtually, as one community.
This event, which we started last year, is not just a showcase of Filipino startups and startup enablers, but this is also a showcase of what the startup community can do.
This conference aims to provide an avenue where startups can share experiences, connect, collaborate, and gain exposure for their respective ventures.
Each year, it gives me confidence that our startups will break through and overcome the gaps in our ecosystem. The world is changing, and Philippine startups are showing us the way.
We have invited distinguished speakers from all over the country who will be sharing valuable experience and information on their journey to grow their startups.
There is no better way through any crisis but together. By collaborating to survive, to innovate, to adapt.
I am Grace Vera Cruz, the country head of the Philippines for Grab.
Our mission here at Canva is to empower the world to decide.
It's about having the right tools, right? But it's also about having that right mindset for using those tools that are available to us. And at Facebook, we're here to support you.
The 2020 Sidsters Manila winner is Gabriel from MedHive.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
So Nature's Fresh is a producer of fresh pineapples. Today we have about 300 hectares of pineapple plantation. Looking at how much pineapple leaves are left to decompose in our farms and knowing that our Barong Tagalog can be made from the same material we leave in our fields led us to believe that this waste can have the potential to be more than just an organic fertilizer. It compelled us to be more environmentally conscious as we plan to engage in more sustainable operations.
Nahuman na among harvest dito nga area. So dinhi na pod ang harvest. Himuon na mo ma'am. Kolektahon na mo pag naay order. Makadugang sig income sa mga tao. So madako-dako ilang kita kada adlaw. Para gihimo siya atong papel dayon katong murag plastic sa to cup.
The Piñapal project addresses the agricultural waste that is from hectares and hectares of pineapple land that we have in the Philippines. As one of our biggest exports are pineapple fruits, we wanted to provide also an opportunity to look at the other elements in growing that pineapple to provide additional livelihood to the farmers, additional revenues to the farmers, as well as maximizing the waste that is an output or an outcome of the pineapple farms and the pineapple plantation, and provide a new material that could maximize this agricultural waste.
Our role in this project, Piñapal, is to produce the handmade paper. From the time we receive the pineapple leaves, which are delivered to us from Bukidnon, we are going to sun dry it and then remove all the debris or dirt so that we collect the best shaped pineapple leaves which have no contamination. So we remove that in order to arrive at a very clean pineapple fiber.
The materials research done trials and experimentation to convert discarded pineapple leaves into paper sheets. We did the process by size reduction of discarded pineapple leaves then pulping, reinforcement through mixing of reinforcing solution, and then molding of paper sheets and drying. And then we were able to convert the paper sheets into various secondary packaging applications with IdeaTech's assistance.
The Design Center of the Philippines contacted our company to become the converter and collaborate with the project. Since our company's aim is to be sustainable, appropriate, with the mission of the company to be pro-environment, pro-SME, and pro-branding. Piñapel paper stands out from the papers that we are using right now because the raw material for the piñapel really comes from waste that are gathered locally from the pineapple plantation. So just thinking that when you use that paper, you somehow help the farmers, you eliminate the waste, you upcycle the material into something useful.
What we also wanted to show through this project is really the Filipino value of malasakit, or the compassion on like what we do with the earth, what we do with our resources, as well as how do we provide a unique voice, a unique design perspective in a global discourse of design. It's really a testimony to circular design. So circular design and Piñapel is about, it's not just about what you take away from the soil, but it's actually what you can put back into the soil to make it richer and to make it better for future generations.
Exports play an important role in a country's economy. In the Philippines, exports of goods and services made up 27.9% of gross domestic product in 2015, according to the World Bank. Exports are important because it contributes to the country's economic development and poverty alleviation initiatives. It provides the needed foreign exchange, enabling us to pay for our imports and external debt. It generates direct employment for high-tech, specialized, skilled, and semi-skilled workers who would otherwise go overseas. It provides the pool for industrial upgrading and modernization. It provides opportunities to harness agricultural and natural resources as foundation for agri-industrial development and expansion, especially in the countryside. It develops and modernizes the manufacturing and services sectors. It presents market opportunities to help bolster a growing economy and empower exporters to become globally competitive. The Export Marketing Bureau, or EMB, has developed TradeLine Philippines, a one-stop comprehensive resource for the global Pinoy entrepreneur. TradeLine Philippines is an invaluable gateway for integrated export information system that will provide regular trade statistics reports, market and product information, supplier and buyer databases, and other trade-related information coming from partner agencies. TradeLine Philippines is a broad-range web portal that aims to promote DTI advocacies. TradeLine Philippines has three main components: portal, trade statistics, business matching. Portal provides a comprehensive export-related information. Trade statistics processes and generates reports on the country's trade data. Business matching helps boost exporters' web presence and exposure through an interactive dashboard that handles inquiries from international importers and foreign trade service posts for real-time business matching between foreign buyers and local exporters. How do you get the most out of TradeLine Philippines' online features? The Trade Stats component provides the following reports: How do you navigate the reports? For instance, the historical trend under the trade statistics provides you with the insight on Philippine merchandise export volume around the globe based on a selected period of time. You can select a minimum of 3 consecutive years. You can customize the generated report by specific country. If no year is selected, period coverage shall be from 2006 until the latest full year. With markets, for instance, you can make a 2-year comparison of the Philippine merchandise exports to the world, current year versus last year by Philippine Standard Commodity Classification. To come up with a comparative data, select a year. You can also specify the specific month or quarter. If no month or quarter is chosen, full-year data are in display. In addition, the volume report allows you to promote the export report by market and product based on current year and previous year. Choose a year, a month or a quarter, and a product code. Hone in on specific country data by selecting a country. In the absence of a choice, data displayed will cover all countries. The other reports follow the same process when generating specific year, month, or quarter for a specific country, region, or port of origin. The other main component, business matching, opens your business to a world of opportunities as it becomes searchable to potential customers and buyers based on a specific profile. To register, hover on the My Account menu, then click the Sign Up button. Choose whether you are a buyer or seller. Fill out the required fields. After submitting the form, you will get an activation link in the email you provided. Click the link to activate. Once you're activated, you can now sign in to see your dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll have access to inquiries and feedbacks, find trade leads and suppliers, and update and add your products and services offering. Here, you can upload photos of your products and services. Hand in hand with various export trade-related government and private agencies, institutions, and organizations that work with the promotion and development of the country's exporters, TradeLine Philippines gives you the essential tools to propel your export venture, helping you achieve your potential with timely and relevant information and assistance, thereby enhancing your capabilities as a global entrepreneur of quality goods and services. Visit tradelinephilippines.dti.gov.ph now and start reaping the benefits of using it.
The Community Face Mask Project, or Libreng Mask para sa Masa, was launched to produce and distribute 47 million locally manufactured cloth face masks as part of the government's strategic plan against the COVID-19. The project so far has provided livelihood to more than 2,700 Filipinos coming from MSMEs, cooperatives, and community members who were displaced from their work during the pandemic. The initiative has already produced and delivered more than 37 million pieces of face masks.
Globe morning, everyone. This is Frances from Globe Business. Thank you to DTI for having us here today. Before I go through my quick presentation, I would like to introduce who Globe Business is. Globe Business is your partner in success. We are the business-to-business arm of Globe Telecom serving MSMEs. We aim to be the trusted partner of Filipino business owners that provides the right tools, expertise, and training to help you with your digital transformation. Our skilled account managers offer expert technology advice, which not only makes us a telecommunications company, but more importantly, your partner in success. Today, I want to talk to you about simple digital solutions for your food business. Now, we all know that the impact of this pandemic was huge, especially for our business owners, mostly because of changing consumer habits. For instance, COVID has changed how consumers shop, and in effect, it has also changed where people eat their meals. It's probably not a surprise anymore that majority of Filipinos are more likely to eat at home. Takot lumabas, nagtitipid, people are focusing on spending on essentials. It's not really the ideal scenario for food businesses, but there is a glimmer of hope, and it's this. Studies also show that in terms of share of wallet, food still comes first for all income brackets. So maybe now the question is, how do you get your customers to give you their share of wallet? At this point, it's important to talk about the customer journey, because it actually starts even before they order food. Bago pa sila makarating sa restaurant nyo, bago nila buksan yung website nyo to order food, people sometimes have cravings or are thinking of purchasing food para makatipid sa oras. So it's important for businesses to be able to reach them as early as at this stage. And this is where technology can help you digitalize the experience for your customers. At the point of discovery, thankfully, marami ng businesses ngayon may social media pages. But maybe you haven't considered other means like text or SMS. With a solution like Amber, mas madali mo nang marireach ang customers mo through SMS. And then at the stage where they order, you can maximize tools like Google Workspace for your health declaration forms if you have dine-in, digital menus, or even online order forms. In the past, paying at a restaurant was mostly via cash, minsan may credit card. Of course now, because of technology, there are e-wallets like GCash which enable customers to pay digitally. And then lastly, after they've enjoyed their meal, hopefully, you can get them to return. Di na uso ngayon yung loyalty cards. First of all, may person-to-person contact yan. Next, sa dami ng loyalty cards, people tend to misplace them or leave them at home. Solutions like Rush allow businesses to roll out loyalty programs digitally on a mobile app or website. These are just a few ways where simple technology can be used by restaurants to enhance the overall customer journey. I want to leave you with this thought. To recover, businesses need to prioritize being flexible enough to adapt to ever-changing consumer behavior. This will definitely differentiate successful businesses from the rest. Fortunately, Globe Business and technology make it easier for entrepreneurs to do so. If you want to learn more about how technology can help, let us know. You may visit our website at globe.com.ph. We are also on Facebook at Globe Business, or you may call our hotline at 121. Globe Business remains fully committed to helping businesses remain resilient with our wide range of digital solutions that will help keep MSMEs connected with their partners and customers. Globe Business is the trusted partner of MSMEs in every step of their digitalization journey. To To the Filipino MSMEs, saludo sa inyo for staying ahead against every challenge. Saludo for your hard work and resilience. Saludo for your fighting spirit that makes you move your business forward. Tuloy-tuloy tayo through the changing times. Globe Business is one with DTI in cheering on the Filipino MSMEs. Saludo.
Ako po si Hope Joy Monticelli Palermo, owner ng Real's Food Products dito po sa Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Year 2000 dito sa Puerto, dito kami nagsettle down hanggang natuto kami kung paano mag-process ng banana chips. By God's grace doon, nag-evolve pa konti-konti lang, dyan lang kami sa mga canteens at the start. And then, yun na may intervention ng DTI, doon na kami nakilala. Ang mga primary products ko, sir, nauna talaga yung banana crackers with honey. So, doon kami nag-start. Nilabas namin yung sugar-free na banana crackers hanggang nadagdagan na naging taro siya. In short, innovation products kasi kailangan mo talagang makipag-compete sa market. Kasi instead of tinatapon lang namin yung mga sobrang ripe, or hindi na namin kinakain, so nabubulok lang, nahanapan namin ng paraan para naman hindi tayo magbigay lang ng kalat doon sa surroundings. Nahanapan natin ng paraan, ginawa namin ng vinegar. So meron na kaming banana vinegar na may isang product ako na ginawa ko siyang ingredients. I'm happy and thankful na nakikita niyo is kahit papano, ginagawa namin yung about greening. Kasi lahat naman talaga tayo, lalo na kami manufacturer, is gagawa kami ng isang produkto na hindi makaka-apekto dun sa community. Lalo na ngayon na nandito kami sa stage na may FDA kami. So hanggat pwede kahit dun sa pasok sa guidance nila, ginagamit namin kagaya ng LED lamp. So lahat is naka-LED. Tapos ang ginagamit namin yung sa faucet, yung aerator faucets. So nagulat na lang ako, parang ang saya ni Ma'am Hilda, wow, gumagamit na sila ganito. Yun na nga, nakaganda doon is meron din palang yung makasave pala ako doon sa ginagamit namin yung LED at saka yung sa faucet na hindi siya masyadong magastos. Yung electricity namin bumaba talaga. Magtaka kami yung kuryente namin nasa mga 9,000 eh. Ngayon nasa mga 5 na lang, 6. So alaki talaga na-save niya. Tapos yung sa tubig, meron talagang tag 3,000, 4,000. Ngayon nasa 1 plus na lang din. Na dahil siguro doon sa mga bago namin ginagamit na mga faucets. It's a passion, sir, sa aming mag-asawa na as much as possible, makabigay kami ng jobs, opportunity doon sa mismong taga-Palawan. Lalo na sa mga island, kailangan din talaga nila ng mga trabaho. Ang saya sa feeling na ganun yun. Kasi na-meet yung passion mo doon na makatulong.
Ako po si Mrs. Alma Tesorio. Ang company ko po ay Alma Tesorio Food Products ng Rojas, Palawan. Nagsimula po ito nung ako po kasi nagtitinda ng isa sa palengke. Tapos nung nakikita ko yung mister ko, parang kulang yung aming income. May taong nagtanong sa akin kung sabi niya, Ate Alma, gusto mo magtinda ng banana cracker? Sabi ko naman, naisip ko agad, bakit hindi ako magluto? Nagluto ako, nagsimula ako, ang binta ko is 17 pesos una, tapos nag-21 pesos. Tapos may sa akin na maglako na daw siya ng tag 5, maliliit lang. Tapos noon, medyo gumaganda yung aming negosyo. Tumigil na kami sa pagtitinda ng mga gulay, tutok na lang kami sa banana cracker. Napakalaking tulong ng mga training ng DTI sa maliliit na mga MSME na kagaya ko. Sinabi nila hindi na kailangan ng kuryente. Kasi yung sa solar na yan, wala ka nang babayaran. Maliban na lang kung masira siya. Tapos yung sa ilaw naman po, mas maliwanag, mas mura. Yun ang iginanda ng doon. Kasi naobserbahan namin mas maliwanag yung ilaw, mas mura. At saka matibay siya, matagal bago mapundi. Di katulad mga nauna.
Ako po si Delia Panaligan Abed, may-ari ng Ornings Cashew Products dito sa Bayan ng Rojas. Ang aming raw mat galing sa mga farmers lang dito sa buong Palawan. And then yung mga workers namin, sila din yung mga galing din dito sa Bayan ng Rojas. Sa akin bilang food processor, napakalaking tulong ng DTI mula sa labeling, packaging, lahat na itulong na nila. Aside sa paggamit ko ngayon ng mga lights ko na LED na, yung aking mga ventilation, yung aking bintana, pinalakihan ko, mas malesen ko yung paggamit ko ng kuryente. Free na yung hangin na papasok. Yung ilaw namin, mas malaki yung kuryente, pero ngayon na LED yung gamit ko and then malalaki yung bintana, mas lesser yung aking nakukonsumong kuryente. Isa po sa mga plan ko in the future kasi nga parang naging sakit na dito na laging mawawala bigla yung kuryente. So isa po yan sa plan namin na magkaroon ng solar panel.
Ako po si Amelia Bacumo Gapos. Ako po yung may-ari ng Amis Cashew Product dito po sa Barangay San Miguel, Rojas, Palawan. Pinagsimulan po ng negosyo po namin, sir. Nag-start po kami year 1994. Nagpuhunan po kami ng 5,000. Pinaka-problema yung kuryente namin. Wala, generator lang po ang gamit namin. Sa ngayon, puro LED na rin yung ilaw namin kasi malaking tipid din po kisa dati po namin ang mga ilaw na ginagamit, mga bumbilya na dati po. Kaya napakalaking tulong din po yun sa amin. Sa ngayon po, ang plano po namin sa building namin, gusto kong kabitan siya ng lahat puro LED na bumbilya. Magkaroon kami ng solar panel dahil hanggang sa ngayon hindi pa po kami naabot ng paliko. Talagang malaking maitulong sa atin yung mga ahensya, lalo na yung DTI na nagatulong sa kagaya sa amin ng mga maliliit na negosyante. Kaya umabot kami ng ganito dahil siyempre sinusunod din po namin yung mga sinasabi nila sa amin sa mga training para mapaganda namin yung produkto. Malaki po muna itulong din ang pagpunta dito sa amin ng GGI kasi nakatipid talaga kami at saka yung sa building namin sana po mayroon po kayong maitulong sa amin na magkaroon po ng solar panel para doon sa processing area namin sa building.
Ako po si Ginang Priscilla M. Chera, Pangulo po at the same time po ay General Manager po ng Pag-asa Association of Rural Improvement Club. Ang aming pong produkto dito sa aming asosasyon ay ang calamansi concentrate with honey, calamansi extract, at saka po ready to drink. Marami po kaming natanggap po talagang suporta at mga biyaya po sa Department of Trade and Industry sa DTI po. Unang-una po, yung pong mga trainings and seminar. Binigyan po nila ako ng equipments para po dun sa SSF, yung Shared Service Facility, na kung saan hindi lang po kami ang pwedeng gumamit, pwede din po yung iba po na kanila pong negosyo ay kalamansi din. Mula po ng inirekomenda po ng Global Green Growth Institute at saka po ng DTI, yung pong mga paggamit po ng katulad nga po ng sa kuryente, nagkaroon po kami ng separate meter. Nakita po namin dito na talagang bumaba po yung aming production cost ng amin pong processing. Ang waste po namin, yung pong mga buto, siya po ay hindi namin tinatapon. Siya po ay binibigay po namin doon sa aming mga members na may mga nursery. Pag kinakailangan po namin ng seedlings, pwede po kaming mag-request sa kanila. Ay di syempre, nag-alaga din po sa kanila na sa murang presyo po nila, ibinibigay sa amin yung pong mga seedlings. Lagi kaming gumagamit, kumukonsumo ng malaking bahagi ng kuryente. So bali po yung aming bubong, nilagyan po namin siya ng plastic yero para po maliwanag po yung kabuuan ng amin pong building. At ang isa pa po, ang ginagamit din po naming ilaw ay yun pong mga LED para po siya, kami po ay makatipid sa kuryente.
Ako po si Nelia Fontecilla, kasalukuyang chairperson ng Kalima Socio-Economic Multipurpose Cooperative. Ang kasem ko po ay kasalukuyan may mga product na tulad ng virgin oil, ginger turmeric tea. Sa ilaw, dahil binigay po sa amin yung nandar, yung mga gamit ng building. So may kasama na po siyang ilaw, pero bumili rin po talaga kami ng mga LED na bulb para makatipid. At siyempre po yung tinuro niya sa amin na dapat magkaroon ng bintana doon para maging maliwanag na hindi na kailangan yung mga ano. Nagawa naman po yun, yung in-advise niyo gano'n. Una-una, sa kuryente makakatipid. Tapos natural yung hangin na natatanggap ng mga worker.
So ang aming ahensya ang may pangunahing mandato sa pagtulong sa mga micro and small medium enterprises o MSMEs. Based our we enable business, and on the other side we empower the consumers. Sa aking pananaw, itong mga ginagawa naman nating mga advokasya sa mga MSMEs, katulong ang GGGI, mayroon itong impact sa kanila sa mga MSMEs. Yung simple na lang na pag-adapt nila ng mga green technologies sa kanilang manufacturing process, may tulong yan. Then, ang sa akin siguro yung mahalaga muna na ipabatid sa kanila, ano ba ang layunin ng programang ito? Bakit pa ito ini-introduce sa kanila at sinisikap natin na at least i-adapt nila yung technology. Kasi nga, ang panaman nito is protection na rin sa lahat. Hindi lang sa kanila, as MSME, may negosyo, pero sa pangkalahatan, kasi issue ngayon sa atin yung impact of to our environment.
Good day, everyone. In support of the celebration of the National MSME Week 2021, we would like to congratulate the Department of Trade and Industry through the dynamic leadership of Secretary Ramon Lopez. In behalf of the Philippine Palm Oil Council Incorporated, we would like to extend our sincere gratitude and thanks to DTI for giving us all the support that we have needed in the past years in terms of seminars, trainings, technology enhancement, and also equipment to our small farmers. This has given us great help in the small farmers industry. We hope that this will continue, this cooperation will continue for the next years. I know that we are in challenging times right now, but when the new normal comes, I hope we can get back and work and continue our programs. Again, in behalf of the Philippine Palm Oil Council, we would like to wish DTI all the best in the coming years. Continue your support to the industry and our cooperation, that we will become stronger in the coming years. Again, God bless and mabuhay po tayo lahat.
Nga recipe gin ako na pangayo sa mother ko man, so gin share man sa ako. As we went along, nag-trial and error ako. Dagdag dito, bawas ito ng ingredients until we came out with a different quality. And the quality of our products is consistent, and that is what we are very concerned about. Para ang among product will be the same.
Through OTOP, we are able to get assistance sa design sang amon other product aside from butterscotch. We have these coffee chips. Nagin-recommend sang designer sang DTI to have this kind of packaging.
I go to the government offices like DTI and UST and ask whatever assistance and programs that they have, because I know that there are lots of programs that are being implemented by the government right now, and it helps us a lot.
As you market your product, at the same time, hindi ka naman natin ma-stop ka na i-develop pa na yung product mo eh. Amo na, every time na may bago kami na development, we just introduce at the same time sa market. They must be prepared sa mga challenges sa business.
Hardworking, patience, and perseverance, and the desire to excel. RGs.
Otop ng Iloilo.
Aton ini.
The RICS, or Regional Inclusive Innovation Centers, is one of the cornerstones of the Inclusive Filipinnovation and Entrepreneurship Roadmap. To date, the RICS is being implemented in a total of 8 regions, with a plethora of partnerships now bearing fruit since its inception in 2018.
Our IIC is a grace, it is a blessing. Not only did we have the opportunity to work with DTI, DOST, and the academe and get proper guidance to the many questions that we had, we were able to move forward to understand that there were changes that were necessary and there were changes that had to be done now.
And on that education workshop, one of the things that Orbest have done is to connect us to the academe, to the MSU na Awan, an expert in cultivating spirulina. So I was just so amazed because the solution to our problem is just there. I'm so blessed to be a recipient of the project here.
To maximize the potentials of established cooperatives in Marawi City and boost their productivity and efficiency, the Department of Trade and Industry provided them Shared Service Facilities, or SSF. The SSF is a flagship project of the department that provides machineries, equipment, tools, and other auxiliary items to improve the production capacities and product quality of the beneficiaries. A total of 40 SSF projects have been turned over to cooperatives in Marawi. These include equipment for langkit or handloom weaving equipment, dressmaking, abaca processing, and bakery and pastry production, among others.
Bali ma'am, itong Masyap Livelihood Services Cooperative, nabuo po siya nung Marawi City. Nung nandun kami sa Iligan, sa evacuation center sa Monira Integrated School, nagpunta po sa amin yung TASDA. So, pinag-aral nila kami doon ng PPP, Bread and Pastry. So, nung nakatapos kami sa TASDA, na yun, nag-usap-usap kami na gumawa kami ng co-op. So, yun, dito nabuo yung co-op namin. So, naisip namin na gagawa kami ng bikiri. So, tapos ma'am, nung nakauwi kami dito sa Marawi, so yun, narinig namin na yung DTI na may ibibigay sila na SSF. So, yun, naglakas loob kami na nag-apply kami doon sa Iligan. Tapos, yun ma'am, natawagan kami. Magpapasalamat po ako sa bumubuo ng DTI kay Secretary Ramon Lopez, kay Yusik Abdul Ghani Makatuman, kay Director Linda Bunyaw, at sa bumubuo ng lahat ng DTI sa monitoring team. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa kanila. Kasi po kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin ngayon. Dahil dito sa SSF na nakuha namin sa DTI, inshallah na yung future ng pamilya namin, mga anak namin, inshallah na masisecure sila dito sa SSF na binigay sa amin.
pagkatanggap namin ng mga machine na yan, hindi pa nawawala kasi yung ng impact ng shades. So nandyan pa rin yung wala pa yung customer. Pero since nakita kasi na mga high-tech machines yung natanggap namin, mostly sa mga customers, parang naibahan sila, parang nagkakaroon sila ng interest. Mas dito pumupunta sa amin yung mga karamihan sa customer. Sobrang laki ang nabago ng SSF sa amin. Kasi during sa pandemic, the lockdown was started last March 15. 1 week before, gumawa kami niyan ng mask. Hindi namin alam kung mabibinta namin yon. So first day naman gumawa kami ng mask. Maliit lang siya, bali every color kumuha lang kami ng tag 1 meter. So hindi pa siya nakailang oras pag pag-post namin sa Facebook, nagsidating yung magkukuha ng taga hundreds of pieces. Masaya pa rin kami kasi na ang laki sa amin yon. Yung pumasok na pera sa amin, sobrang laki na sa amin yon. So dahil doon sa kinita namin sa mask na yon, nabuhay kami. Marami ang nabuhay doon lang sa sobra 3,000 kasi 25 pesos isang pagbenta namin Ang laki-laki na yun sa amin. So after those 3 months na purely wala kaming kita, dumating yung mga tao na nag-order ng mga PPE, yon, mga frontliners na mga gamit. Doon na naman kami kumita. Sa DTI po, kami po ay lubusang nagpapasalamat. Hindi matapos-tapos po ang aming pasasalamat sa pagbigay po saka pagbigay ng chance na makakuha po ng kanilang SSF project dahil ito po ay unlimited po na hanap buhay namin na nakakatulong talaga sa mga miyembro.
Ito pong cooperative namin po ay nagsisimulan noong 2014 po. Kami po ay sa una po, member namin ay 30 po ang members ng cooperative. So nagsisimula po kami ng konting tindahan at hanggang medyo lumaki dahil po sa mga subok ng dinaan namin tulad yung nangyari ng Marawi Seeds. Yung nangyari dito sa butik, alam natin po ay dito nagsisimula yung tugmaan ng military at saka yung sinasabi nilang multi-group sa lugar namin po ito. So ngayon po ay sa oras po yun ay parang po kami bumalik sa zero yung cooperative namin po. Sa oras na po yun dahil doon sa nangyari na aksidente po. Lumawak po itong kooperatiba namin dahil po sa project ng SSC po. Doon po kami maraming salamat. Hindi namin ma-express kung paano po kami magpasalamat po sa yung mga tao na tumulong po sa amin tulad ng SSC project po. Alam niyo po noong matanggap namin yung binigay nila sa amin ng mga machinery para sa abaka ay doon po nagsisimula. Tumaas kaagad yung produkto namin. Nung matanggap namin po yun, ang ginawa namin dahil lumaki yung produkto namin, nag-register po kami sa Newtech upang makadirect doon sa kanila. Yung Perfida, tapos yung DTI po, sila po ang nag-ano sa amin upang bumangon ulit. So, ibig sabihin po, walang imposible sa buhay po. Pwedeng makabangon ulit. Tulad namin po, nasa ngayon, abot ng milyon ang ano namin po sa itong produkto po na abaka production. Sa ngalan ng cooperative namin, ng Darul Khair Farm Economic Development Producer Cooperative po, kami po ay nagpapasalamat o kaya hindi namin ma-express kung paano kami magpasalamat sa opisina ng DTI, sa project nila na SSF. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa itong tulong na binigay niyo po sa amin, utang na loob namin po sa inyo itong lahat na ginagawa niyo para sa amin po.
As the lead agency of Task Force Bangon Marawi Subcommittee on Business and Livelihood, DTI remains committed to help Marawi cooperatives get back on their feet and to boost their economic activity.
The world is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and the Filipino must elevate to keep up with the rest of the globe in technological readiness, business sophistication, and innovation. With Philippine industries dominated by conventional manufacturing technologies that hinge on subtractive machining processes, we seek to redefine the way industries create prototypes, components, tools, and products. We at the DOST, through Metals Industry Research and Development Center, MIRDC, and the Industrial Technology Development Institute, ITDI, seek to build the Advanced Manufacturing Center, AMCen, to serve as the premier hub for developing the next generation of manufacturing engineers in conjunction with academe and industry partners. Become the nation's leading research center in 3D printing, achieving prominent breakthroughs in the research and development of innovative 3D printing technologies, processes, and materials. Enhance our capability in design, materials development from local sources, as well as testing and prototyping of products. And foster effective collaborations among industry, government, academe, and non-profit organizations to ensure the continued development of our industry potential. This is our opportunity to truly mold the future of the country's industries. Thus, we proudly introduce the Advanced Manufacturing Center, AMCen. Harnessing the potential of additive manufacturing to build lightweight yet strong three-dimensional objects, we can revolutionize the way Filipino products are developed, manufactured, stored, and delivered. From the forming of bespoke shapes with complex geometries, to the rapid prototyping and fabrication of single objects as opposed to assembling multiple pieces, to the building of obsolete or out-of-production parts. It simplifies the production process, reduces material waste, increases manufacturing flexibility, as well as reduces production time and ultimately cost. As a technological hub, AMCen will help sustain the global competitiveness of the country through its two projects. MatDev pursues new materials for 3D printing using indigenous sources such as abaca fiber and others. And Rapid Admatech pursues rapid prototyping and product development, providing services to students doing research on additive manufacturing, enabling R&D collaborations with industry partners and technology providers, providing SMEs and inventors process and product development capabilities, and allowing the general public access to a dedicated section where they can explore their ideas and nurture a culture of innovation. AMCen will bring together leading technology providers through the Center for Innovation and Advancement of Manufacturing Technologies, allowing AMCen to utilize their equipment for research and development, and in return, harnessing the center as a showroom to demonstrate their technology to potential clients. These will enable a wide range of output, from critical life-saving components to convenient life-changing devices. AMCen is geared to be a one-stop shop from concept creation to virtual warehousing. complete with options for online payments and delivery methods. With MIRDC, providing pre- and post-processing services for additive manufacturing products. Most importantly, the center aims to connect scientists, consultants, engineers, and other professionals from different disciplines to create a robust ecosystem that will speed up the adoption of additive manufacturing as an alternative to traditional processes. This will be called Connected Minds. Forging partnerships with the government, academe, and industry to identify problems and provide solutions through research and development projects. AMSAN Ecosystem fosters cooperation through R&D collaborations with members from different sectors that will work together to solve problems and expedite technology transfer. We will create the future layer by layer, innovatively, sustainably, inclusively. So allow us to help your endeavor and build it stronger. Be part of the AMSAN ecosystem. And together, let's go beyond the conventional. This is the Advanced Manufacturing Center. Visit our website and like our Facebook page to learn more.
Ang mapis ko nagsugod kani adtong Agosto 8, 1994, gisugdan kini o gitukod kini sa DC City ka mga gagmayng negosyante ug mga mananagat. Ang mapis ko nagsugod sa negosyong pautang sa mga membro niadtong 2012. Nakita na pod sa kooperatiba ang dugang panginahanglan sa ice. Kay nagsugod naman ang commercial fishing sa tuna nga mga dinagko sa Bislig. Pagka 2012, nag-apply ang MAPESCO og setup aron ma-rehabilitate, ma-upgrade ang daan nga ice plant into a 17 tons energy efficient ice plant. Ug dako kayo kinig natabang sugod ato. Na-improve ang among efficiency, na-improve ang among production. Ice block na mao usa ka cycle sa una maluto kini sa 50 ka oras. After sa rehabilitation, nga within 48 hours, makaharvest nami. So naay duha ka oras nga na-save per ice block. Production na mo kaniadtong 2013 nga 53,379, niabot kinig 67,765. Sa tuig po 2018, ang MAPESCO adunay net revenues na 21 million. 16 million is aning net revenue ay gikan sa ice. Ang ice gasugod kini sa tubig. Ang tubig isulod nato sa lata, almost 150 liters. Then lutoon ibutang kini sa ice can. Then ibutang kini ngadto sa brine tank. Lutoon kini mga 48 hours. I-harvest kini pinaagi sa harvesting crane. Then ilosen sa tank. Then isulod sa cold storage. Or pwede kini idiretso ngadto sa delivery truck aron ma-deliver kini ngadto sa palengke o ngadto sa mga bangka nga nagkinahanglan na ini. Kini sa mga commercial fishing boats, dili lamang kini mga taga-Bislig. Daghan kanila usab gikan sa Jensan, sa Davao, sa Bayawan or from Negros. Gapanguha pod na sila ice gikan sa among ice plant sa kooperatiba. Then tungod sa naa nami ice, tungod sa mga kuha na isda sa among mga membro, nakita namong oportunidad sa pagpuproduce og bottled tuna. Naka-design ang DOST og level, katong mga laboratory test, then katong pang-training sa GMP, mga good manufacturing practices, na makamahimo kami maayo o ingon nato nga pwede pang world class nga produkto. Sarang natong mabaligya sa merkado. Pinagi pod sa DOST, naka-avail mi sa consultancy program kanang MPEX dako kinig tabang pag-improve sa among mga processes nga nahimo kini namong mas epektibo, mas maayo. Kini pod nakaaghat sa mga membro nga madugangan ang kapasidad nila sa pagpangisda, pinaagi pagdugang, pag-repair o pag-upgrade sa ilang bangka na sa una dubulan lamang. Karon mga membro namo from 3 tons to 25 tons capacity nga mga commercial fishing boats. Ang mapis ko karon adunay 1,372 nga membro from the original nga BCCT lamang kabuok. From 17,000 nga original nga capital initial, karon aduna siya asset nga 56 milyones as of December 2018. Sa DOST dako kayo miga pasalamat sa mga interventions nga ilang hatag kanamo og nang hinaot kami nga kini mapadayon og amo pagyong mapalambo.
Ang impact ng pandemic ay malaki. Sobra, mga 70% ang nawawala sa income ng aming negosyo.
Sa panahon ng pandemya, ang impact sa negosyo namin, lalo sa amin, na-close po yung shop namin kasi lockdown sa ating lugar. At saka yung mga walk-in na customer namin, syempre, hindi sila makalabas kasi lockdown.
Ngunit may oportunidad din. Ang DOST tumulong sa amin, told me, they ordered PPEs. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa DOST Kalinga kasi that was my first order since March. Wala talaga kaming sales.
Kaya natutuwa ako din sa program ng DOSC sa pamamagitan ng online na doon na advertise na ipopromote ang ating mga products.
Fashion accessories.
Ako po si Florence Amelia Awat, manager ng Kalinga Indigenous Weavers Association.
I am Jocelyn Dumatu, the manager of DSS Handicrafts and Pasalubong Center.
Ang DOST program set up ay maraming naitulong sa akin. Itong mga makina, sewing machines na ginagamit ng mga sewers ko. Ito mga ginagamit namin ngayon sa pagtatahi ng mga mask ngayong pandemic.
Dati kasi nag-iisa lang yung sewing machine namin. Kaya sa pamamagitan ng setup, nadagdagan po ay yung sewing machine namin ng 5. Kaya napabilis po yung production namin.
Naging client kami ng DOST at isa kami sa napili na mag-handle ng one-store hub dito sa Kalinga.
The machines, they have given me through set up 3 sewing machines which until now I am using. This one, the manual, the industrial. The other machine is used by my sewer, the sewer of my bags.
Malaki po ang naitulong ng DOST sa aming negosyo na Baliktribo Fashion Accessories.
Thank you so much, DOST, for always being there, helping us.
Salamat sa DOST dahil sa tulong nila, naging
maganda ang takbo ng buhay ng mga producers dito.
In buying our products, you are helping Kalinga working women. Thank you and God bless us all.
Stay Gioy! Maraming salamat po, DOST. Thank you!
Thank you. God bless you. Keep safe, DOST.